Today we have a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is Woman Turns Her First Shift at McDonald's into Criminal Charges.
Get on the ground now!
On this ride-along, a woman forgets to remove the tag from her shirt. An officer has a question.
Why is she running away, dude?
And another walks through some shrubbery. On July 5th in Bradenton, Florida, an officer went to a McDonald's, but not for a hamburger.
Hey, real quick, what's going on?
Nothing, sir.
Were you waiting on your check or something?
No.
No? Did you used to work here or anything?
No.
No?
Just ain't talk to you.
Just in there talking. No.
But she had worked there for a day.
Yep.
Sunday,
Her first day.
her first day.
Yep.
No, well, you need to hang out right here because they called us and said there was some sort of dispute going on.
Oh,
Hell no.
So you can't go, you need to stay here, okay?
What?
You can't leave because we have to investigate the
What dispute?
dispute. Exactly. There's one of me,
Come on,
and
let's go
there's
see,
three
let's
or
go see.
four people. Yeah, let's walk back inside and go see.
Come on, let's go.
For context, the dispute was
The drawer was short $500. Was anybody else working the drawer that day, or was that just her? Just her. Okay.
You worked there for a day, stole $500 and left? Your check was probably going to be $500. You know, I don't know how many hours they be giving, but your check is probably going to be $500 or more dollars than that. And it's going to be reoccurring. So it's like, why would you jeopardize your job like that? That don't make no sense.
Did you call? What's
What's the problem?
like I said, I just got here, so I don't know.
What does matter then? What's going on?
Hi.
Hi. So we have her on video stealing $500 from you.
Okay, so there's the allegation.
I didn't take them.
Okay. So what we have to do is we have to hang on and figure it out. Okay. That's all. Okay.
We got free will.
Yes.
Oh, hold on, sir. Hold on. First of all, we have free will. You're a sheriff, right?
Yes.
She's making an allegation.
Exactly.
You can't force us to stay nowhere. I'm finna go call my lawyer.
You can go. She has to stay here.
How?
Yes.
She's not detained.
Because yes,
she
she
is
is.
not detained.
Yes, she is.
Hold on.
Hey.
She is not. She can leave.
Hey,
sir.
listen.
She is
No,
not
she can't.
detained. She's making an allegation.
51. Can I get some units here? Probably will.
That's crazy, bro.
Take it off. She needs to stay here.
Why though? Why?
Listen,
Making
you're
an
gonna
allegation.
obstruct. Are you gonna obstruct this investigation? She can't stay here. Why is she running away, dude? Stop, sheriff's office! Where'd she go? Stop, sheriff's office, stop! Stop!
Unbelievable.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground now!
Get her
Give
together.
me the channel for a second. Get on the floor.
Get her together. She not acting right. Get on the floor. Wait, what is that?
Give me the channel for a second. Get on the floor now. I'm going to tase you.
I did nothing
Put your
wrong.
hands behind your back.
I did nothing wrong.
I just went 1031 on foot. We're in front of Marshall's.
Where my old man
I
at?
don't know.
I did nothing wrong.
Stop.
I'm just gonna get outside.
Stop.
That's it. I'm not gonna run.
No, you're not going to go anywhere.
Where's my old man at?
All right, 2M61. I have one detained. Clear signal 100. I just need one more unit priority, please.
Where my old man at? Please. I did nothing wrong. Can I stand up at least?
Stop.
I just want to stand up, please. That's
You're
it.
not going to run away.
I'm not gonna run, but I
You
did
just
nothing
did run.
wrong.
You just did run. Okay?
I'm sorry about that.
Okay, why? But why?
Because she's lying on
All
me.
right, hold on. Let me make these more comfortable.
Okay.
Thank you.
Where my old man at?
like the channel. Subscribing helps keep this narrator fully caffeinated.
Where my old man at? I need to call my old man. I need to call my old
Okay, we're gonna get there. Yeah, 2M61. I have another male subject that's pretty irate in front of McDonald's who's gonna be related to her.
Where my old man at?
Sit down.
Okay.
I don't know where he went. Sit down.
Okay, sir, calm down. Just calm down. But
You don't run from us.
I did nothing wrong.
Okay?
After a bit, her old man would wander over.
Hey, stay over there. Don't come over here.
Hey, call Pitman.
No. Stand over there.
Hey, call Pitman.
Stand over there. Stand over there. Don't walk over here. How is he related to you?
That's my old man.
Okay, does he used to work at McDonald's too?
No.
Okay, all right.
This statement was actually true.
Is that other gentleman in the red hat involved at all? I mean, besides standing in the door so I couldn't run after her, but...
He came up here. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
He's not involved at all.
Okay. All right, 2M61. He's walking away towards the Paradise Bay Shopping Center sign. The next unit that comes 97, we need to go ahead and secure him for now. So far.
He hasn't done nothing wrong.
Well, we're going to figure that out because he obstructed me.
No, don't
We
do
can clear
that.
signal
Don't do that.
100.
He did nothing.
He got in my way when I was trying to come and...
I apologize. Don't do that to him. Don't do it to him, please.
Okay.
It wouldn't be long before another officer arrived on scene.
What's going on, dude? Right now, just with my girl. I ain't do nothing wrong. Just with my girl. Trying to help out. That was all. I was on the phone with her just now.
You guys arguing or something?
That's weird then. Your old man? Because I haven't heard that phrase like that. I mean, I heard your old lady, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yo, what's up? How you and the old lady doing? You know what I mean? Like, but do girls say old man? Because when she said that, I'm thinking that's her dad. You know what I'm saying? Well, that may be her daddy. But we ain't gonna get into all of that. But no, I'm hey, I'm playing. All right, but no, you know, cause yeah, guys, you know, oh, how you and the old lady doing? You know what I mean? But do girls talk like that? Like, hey, how's you and the old man? Like, I thought it was when it sounds like it's coming from a girl. It sounds like a dad, like a father, and then I'm sitting here looking like, damn, that's her dad. They look damn near the same age. I ain't gonna lie.
Hell no. She went there and I brought her there, get her checked. They accused her of something. She worked there. And
Where, McDonald's?
they accused her of something like the officer saying, hey, y'all just stay here. I'm like, hey, I don't gotta stay here. I'm not doing that. I brought her up here.
Okay.
Walk this way.
Okay. Well, just not do me like that. I'm sorry.
Do you like what? You ran from
I
me.
said I was sorry, okay?
Okay, all right, you were sorry.
Oh, that's not my food.
Well, I'm in front of McDonald's. The other male suspect is in front of the liquor store, Fairmont liquor store.
He pulled up. We walking out, and he's like, hey, hold on, did you used to work here? She's like, yeah. And then we walked back in there, the manager came
Are they
out.
trying to trespass her or something, maybe?
I don't know.
That's what I'm saying. What did McDonald's want to do with her?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know?
I really don't know.
You stop pulling on me like that.
Oh, I have to hold on to you because you ran from me. You just did.
My feet are burning, sir.
It's so funny to watch them lie.
My girl leave out and just go to running and
She ran? For what?
I don't know, bro. All I know is when I came around, I see him, got her. So I'm like, hey, man, don't, you know, he like, no, don't come up closer. So I didn't come closer.
I think it's a big misunderstanding.
Yeah, I don't know why you ran out on me, sir. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do shit.
I'll be splashing down.
Sit down.
More officers would arrive on scene, but like all the napkins at the bottom of a fast food bag, they weren't really needed. The officer with Mr. Red Hat then radioed over to see what was going on.
One only was 60 minutes a unit at McDonald's. Do you need this guy for anything?
54, as long as he doesn't come back over here while we're doing our investigation, we can cut him loose.
He didn't come back, leaving his lady friend behind.
Open? Yeah. Yeah, get her searched. What's that?
Hey, hold on. They partners? Hold on now. Wait, hold up.
One only was 61 to meet at McDonald's. Please meet this guy for anything?
54. As long as he doesn't come back over here while we're doing our investigation, we can cut him loose.
He didn't come back, leaving his lady friend behind.
Yeah. Yeah, get her searched. What's that? Should go to jail? Not really. She just didn't want to go to jail. Yeah, I want to. Sounds good.
Can you step out of this?
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You're fine. So she's in custody. I just need to talk to whoever called.
It's me. I called.
Okay.
So I already made the report,
Okay.
and I sent she put her hand in here over 5 times. So you'll watch as she takes the money from the customer, and then you'll see.
Is there a way you could send that to me? Have you
I
already sent it?
this when I went down there because she
Okay.
had left that day when they counted down the
Okay.
floor. But it's a total of 500 in total for that day.
They're over there. She's talking. What? He's walked behind me. He stepped on him.
Oh, okay, where are they?
Miami 11. 1098. Keep falling.
Over there. What kind of shoes are they?
Flip flops.
Okay. You have a seat.
64. And are you doing 55 for the night?
Because we've made the sandals a bit of a cliffhanger, we wanted to show you that the officers did in fact find them.
Oh, right here.
The officer charged her with petty theft and resisting without violence. She would plead no contest to the charges several months later and be sentenced to 6 months probation and be required to complete the ARC program. However, the court would later modify the sentence to just sending her to jail for 15 days, maybe due to an issue with completing the ARC. She was also ordered to pay McDonald's restitution of $499. Thanks for watching.
This stuff don't make no sense, man. You go through the process of doing a job application. You go through the process of doing a job application, and then going to the interview, and you go through that whole process just for you on your first day to steal. What type of sense does that make, man? These people brains are fried, man. What sense does that make? Do you understand? There's people out here that's trying to get jobs that can't get jobs. You get a job in the job market right now. It's tough. You know what I'm saying? You could get little jobs like that. You know what I'm saying? But either way it goes, there's people out here that are trying to get jobs that do not have jobs, like a 9 to 5. And you go through the whole process, get hired, which it costs them to hire somebody. Like that's a cost on their part. And then your first day, that's the whole reason why they go through a hiring process, like, because it costs them to hire, to take on a new employee. That is a cost on the business side. And you go through the whole process just for you on your first day to steal and lose your job. That don't make no sense to me, man. Really don't make no sense. Anyways, let's get to it, man. We got jailhouse accountability scorecard here, man. 0 equals handled it perfectly. 10 equals generational crash out. The closer you are to 0, the better you did. The closer you are to 10, obviously the worse you did. All right. 6 categories: compliance, attitude, self-control, truthfulness, safety, risk, wasted chances. Okay, let's start with the first one. Compliance, 9 out of 10. She was told to stay during the investigation and immediately ran. Self-explanatory. Attitude, 7 out of 10. She and her old man kept arguing the free will speech instead of listening to lawful instructions. Okay, I'm free to go. She's not detained. Oh my God. Like, man, shut your ass up, man. You know what I'm saying? I was really, shut your ass up. Anyways, let's keep it moving, man. Self-control, 9 out of 10. Running from the police over at McDonald's, draw dispute is a full panic decision. Yeah, she crashed out, man. I ain't gonna lie. She crashed out, man. Should have just stayed, but you knew that you was in trouble. That's why initially, I don't think the guy knew what was really going on. Because if he knew what was really going on, I don't think he would have said, come on, let's go inside. Let's see what's happening. You know, because the girl probably like, oh boy, he don't know what I just did yesterday. You know what I mean? Or really know the situation. She was waiting for you to come get your check, whatever, yada, yada. Anyways, truthfulness, 5 out of 10. She denied working there at first, even though she had worked there for a day. Okay. So that's that, middle of the road there. Safety risk, 6 out of 10. She did not get violent, but running through the area forced a foot chase and a taser threat. Okay. Listen, the officer almost had to get her together. You know what I'm saying? And hey, he probably should have. Wasted chances, 9 out of 10. The officer was trying to talk it out, explain the allegations, and investigate. She burned that chance by fleeing. Okay, she took off like a bat out of hell, man. But anyways, final jail score 45 out of 60. Converted score 7.5 out of 10. If she was an inmate, she wouldn't necessarily. I don't think she would necessarily be a full-on problem child, but I do think she has sneaky tendencies, and she would be getting into little things. You know what I'm saying? She'll be getting into little stuff, and she's a thief. And one thing you don't want to be in jail or prison is a thief. Okay, you will get the shit beat out of you for real. They will put you through it. Yeah, but at least that's how the guys go. I don't know about the girls, but yeah. But anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comment section and the. No, all right. See, some of these times, you've seen me throughout the end of this video going through the scorecard and this and stuff like that. That I mess up. You know what I mean? I mess up. There's bloopers, right? A lot of content creators cut out the bloopers, so you don't really see the, all the mess ups and stuff like that, man. But look, for the most part, I keep my videos from start to finish, and we gonna run through it, man. And sometimes you're gonna see the bloopers, all right? It is what it is, man. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.